This video will help you with your spelling for week 5. This week's spelling sound is a digraph TI making the sh as in station. First task you have to do is choose your 10 spelling words. Go through the list and either mark next to or highlight 10 words that you are going to choose as your spelling list this week. Then your first task is to do your look, cover, write check. Look at the word, what letters and what combinations of the word do you already know that will help you spell it. In the case of this week's spelling words, 16 of the 19 words end in T-I-O-N. So the sh sound, O-N. So 16 of the 19 words, so that will help you with your spelling. Then you cover up your word, say it, station, and then write it down. On. Station. So you do that on Monday, you'll do that again on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday for all of your 10 words. The next activity you need to do is your syllables. So you take your 10 words and you bust them into syllables. Syllables help you to break up the word and make it easier to spell. I've put a link to a video by Michelle Hutchinson, who is the creator of the spelling program we use, and it explains why syllables are really important to understand. So if you take your words, break them up into syllables. I'm going to take the word station, which we already had. If I say station, it's 2 syllables, so it's S-T-A is one, sh-on is the next. So there are 2 syllables. I've placed a dot at the end of each syllable. Station. If you have a look, there is a vowel sound in each of the syllables. That is a key part to syllables, is there is always a vowel sound in the syllables. Another word that I had highlighted on my page, my spelling page, was nationality. Nationality is broken up into nation-al-ity. Nationality. 5 syllables. So if I find where 5 syllables go, I can write N-A, that's 1 syllable. Shon is another syllable. Nal, I, T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a vowel sound, a vowel sound, a vowel sound, a vowel sound. And if we listen to the end of nationality, the Y is making the E sound, so the Y is making the vowel sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vowel sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syllables. So it's really important to be able to break your words up into syllables. There are some tips there to help you do that. On Tuesday, you are then going to do your segmenting. So now it is a case of breaking, instead of into syllables, we're going to break each syllable and each word into their individual sounds. The key to this is the TI always makes a sh sound, so the TI is going to go in the same box. So let's look at our word station. S, T, A, sh. The TI makes the sh sound. O, n. Station. Station. There are our sounds. Nation. N, A, sh. The TI making the sh sound. O, n. Motion. M, O, sh. O, n. Motion. So you're breaking up your words into the individual sounds. Choose your 10 words, do your look, cover, write check each day. On Monday, do your syllables, break your words up into their syllables. On Tuesday, break them up into their individual sounds.